Hello children, it's me again, I'm teacher Froilan and I will be your live in ano ban? 3. Okay, how are you today? How are you? If you are good, teacher Froilan is good too and great. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, we are. Okay, now if you are ready, please stand up and let's have a warm up and let's dance. Okay, are you excited? Yes. Okay, now stand up please and let's dance baby shark. Okay? Yes. Okay, now stand up. Stand up. Baby shark. Yeah. Okay. Now, shark, shark. Shark, shark, shark. Shark.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do 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 do, daddy shark, do 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 do, daddy shark, do 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 do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do 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 do, grandpa shark, do 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 do, grandpa shark, do 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 do, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do 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 do, let's go hunt, do 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 do, let's go hunt, do 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 do, let's go hunt.
Run away, do 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 do, run away, do 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 do, run away, do 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 do, run away. Safe at last, do 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 do, safe at last, do 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 do, safe at last, do 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 do, safe at last. It's the end, do 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 do, it's the end, do 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 do, it's the end, do 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 do, it's the end.
Okay, very good. Now, give yourself a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, you are good in dancing. Okay, now we are going to our topic today. First, let's read our vocabulary. Now sit up straight. Okay, sit up straight and listen to teacher Froilan. Understand? Yes, we are. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, go. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Very good. Number 1 is bird. Bird. B I R D. Bird. Very good. Number 2 is feather. Feather. F E A T H E R. Feather. Okay, good job. Next, number 3 is beak. Beak. B I C K. Beak. Good job. Next, number 4 is nest. Nest. N E S T. Nest. Nest. Okay, nice. And then last, number 5 is wing. Wing. W I N G. Wing. Very good. Now give yourself an excellent clap. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay, nice. Now we are going to our topic today. First, you need to do is to get your life experience book 1. This one, Life Experience Book 1, color green. This one, that have baby and fruits, vegetables. This one. Okay, now if you get your book, this one, Life Experience, open your book, Unit 15. 1, 5, Unit 15. Okay, now if you open your book in Unit 15, this is our topic for today. That is about birds. 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 Can you repeat? Birds. Okay, now let's spell the word birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Birds. Very good. Now look at this picture. Okay, this an example of a birds. Okay, a bird have a beak. Okay, beak have a wings. They can fly and they make nest for their babies. Okay? Okay. Now, first open your book now on page 68. This one. 6, 8. 6, 8. Okay, now repeat after Teacher Fräulein. Okay, let's read the sentences here. Understand? Open your book, page 68. Okay, now let's read. Birds have 2 legs. Birds have 2 legs. Birds have 2 legs. Birds have feathers. Birds have feathers. Very good. Birds have 2 wings. Birds have 2 wings. Okay, look at this one. These are their wings. They have 2 wings. Birds lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. Most of birds can fly. Most of birds can fly. A birds live in a nest. A birds live in a nest. Okay, now look at this one. The birds living in a nest with the little chick. Okay, they are flying. They have feathers. Okay, feathers. This one, feathers. They have also 2 legs. 2 legs. This one. 1, 2. They have 2 legs. And also they have 2 wings. 1, 2. They have 2 wings. And also they are laying egg. Okay, do you know what is egg? Egg is? Okay, very good. And also these birds, okay, birds can fly. Okay, you can see them in the sky. They are flying. Okay? Okay, very good. And also, this is the life cycle of a bird. Look at this. This is an eggs. Can you repeat? Eggs. Eggs. Very good. After eggs, it become an egg hatch. The egg hatch. Can you repeat? The egg hatch. The egg hatch. Okay, now teacher, what is hatch? Look at this, oh. The egg will hatch. There is a crack. For example, this is the egg. There is a hatch like this. Okay? Okay. And then after the egg hatch, the chick comes out. The chick comes out. Okay, now look at the chick. The small bird. The small bird comes out in the egg. Okay, the chick comes out. And then after the chick comes out, okay, this is a chick. A chick. Very good. Now you can see now a baby bird, or we call chick. Very good. Now, after you see a chick, two birds make eggs. Two birds make eggs. Two birds make eggs. Very good. We have two birds here. Let's count. 1, 2. Okay, they are two birds, a male and a female. Okay, a male bird and a female bird. They are making eggs. Okay, after they make eggs, okay, it become eggs again. And then the egg hatch. And then after the egg hatch, the chick comes out. After the chick comes out, okay, that is a chick. And it becomes a bird. Okay, very good. Now we have 5 cycle of a bird. Understand? Yes, we are. Okay, now if you understand, these are the parts of a bird. Now open your bird page 6, 9. 6, 9. Open your book page 6, 9. Now today, we will discuss about the parts of a bird. Same like a human. They have a different kinds of parts. Okay, they have their own parts. Okay, now let's read all the parts of a bird. Ready? Repeat after Teacher Froilan. Okay? Okay, first, head. Head. Eye. Eye. Beak. Beak. Feather. Feather. Claw. Claw. Leg. Leg. Wing. Wing. Tail. Tail. Very good. Now, after you read this, okay, now let's answer our activity here. Okay, you need to do is to label the parts of a bird. Okay? Okay, now what is this? This is a head. Okay, H-E-A-D. Head. Okay? You can write and label the parts of the bird here. Understand? Okay, now if you are finished writing, send to Teacher Froilan or in our line group. Understand? Yes. Okay, now we are going to our second activity for today. That is on page 70. Okay, 7, 0. 7, 0. Okay, in number 1, how many legs do birds have? Okay, birds, how many legs? They are very good. There are 2 legs. Right, 2. T W O 2. The birds have 2 legs. Okay, how about how many wings do birds have? Birds, how many wings? They are 2. Very good. 2. Now, if you are finished this one, if you don't know the answer, open your book in our page 68. Okay, you can see the answer there. Okay? Okay. Now, if you are finished, I repeat, send to Teacher Froilan or in our line group. Understand? Okay. Now, give yourself first a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now this is again Teacher Froilan, your life in KG.3. Now put your hands together and say thank you, Teacher Froilan. Thank you, Teacher Froilan. See you again next time. Have a nice day and good luck to you. Bye-bye.